Morning, everybody. Today we're going to talk about writing equations in one variable. So an equation is a mathematical sentence that uses an equal sign to show that two expressions are equal. So, for example, write a word sentence as an equation. Okay, so this says the sum of a number n and 7 is 15. So we've done a little bit of this. The sum means to add, so n plus 7 is always means equals, and that's 15, and there's our equation. Okay, it's an equation because it's got an equal sign in it. Okay, next, a number y decreased by 4 is 3. So y decreased by means subtract, 4 is means equals 3. So we got that equation right there. "12 times a number p equals 48. That was pretty easy. You don't need an x for times anymore. We're just going to go 12p. 12p means 12 times p equals 48. And now that we can write these sentences, now we're going to solve them. Okay, but first I want you to go ahead and do these. Go ahead and put the video on pause, do these 4 problems, then jump back on here and see how you did. Okay, so let's look at 9 less than a number b equals 2. Now that's a tricky one. It's a tough one to start with. 9 less than a number b. That means you're going to take b and you're going to subtract 9, and that's going to equal 2. So you should have got b minus 9 equals 2. Okay, next, the product. Product means multiply. So the product of a number g and 5, so 5g is 30. So you should have got that. A number k increased by 10. Increased means plus, of course. So k plus 10 is the same as, that means equals to, 24. And the quotient means to divide. So the quotient of a number q and 4, so the first number always goes on top, so this is q divided by 4 is 12. Okay, so you should have got those 4 equations. And why are they an equation again? Because they have an equal sign in them. This side is equal to that side, so it's an equation. Okay, 10 servers decorate 25 tables for a wedding. Each table is decorated as shown. Let C be the total number of white and purple candles. Which equation can you use to find C? So you got to look really carefully here. It's hard to see even in your book. But there's 4 white candles right here. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then there's 2, 4, 6 purple candles. Okay? So which of these equations could we use to find C if there's 25 tables? Well, if there's 25 tables that are all like this, it's going to be 25 times something. Okay? And inside there's going to be 4 white candles and another 6. So that's going to be plus, so it's 4 plus 6. So 25 times 4 plus 6. Well, that would be this one, B. That would work. Now, could any of these other ones work? Well, 10 times 10, it's not going to be 10 times something. That doesn't make any sense. So these 2 are definitely out. I think what they're saying is there's 10 candles. Yeah. And then this one's 25 plus. And it's 4 times 6. This is wrong. This is backwards. This should be the times, and that should be the plus. So this one's out as well. So it's definitely just B. After 2 rounds, 24 students are eliminated from a spelling bee. There are 96 students remaining. Write an equation you can use to find the number of students that started the spelling bee. Okay, so this could be a little tricky. So we had 2 rounds. 24 students were eliminated. That means that 12 students per round were eliminated. There's 96 left. Okay, so whatever we're going to do is going to equal 96. Okay, and we're going to use R for the number of rounds. And let's see. We would do 12 students per round. And so 12 students per round is what got eliminated. Oh no, here's what we're going to do. It's not going to be per round. That's not our variable. It's going to be 12 times 2, or actually it's just going to be 24 because we don't know that 12 got eliminated in each round. So some number, the number of students, we'll call it S, minus 24 students leaves 96 students. That was actually a very simple one. I was overthinking it. Okay, so S minus 24 is 96. There's my equation. Okay, so we had the number of students that we started with. We subtracted 24 after 2 rounds, and we were left with 96 students. Okay, so you're going to do lessons 1 through 27, or problems 1 through 27 odd on these 2 pages here, and I will see you guys in class. Talk to you later.